Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my cooking channel Taboo Tinku Foodies. Today's recipe is peanut butter laddoos. आप इसके लिए कोई भी peanut butter या nut butter यूज कर सकते हैं. And if you want to go for something homemade, do check out my flaxseed peanut butter recipe. These laddoos are loaded with nutrients, so they are perfect for snacking any time of the day. और ये आपके taste buds के लिए भी एक treat हैं, which makes these grab and go bites a total win-win. So चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं. अगर आपको मीठा ज़्यादा पसंद है तो आप इसमें हनी की क्वांटिटी थोड़ी और बढ़ा सकते हैं. And in no time, our laddoos are ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to know how I make my breakfast bowl, stay tuned and check out my next video for that. Do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my next recipe. Till then, bye guys.